In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to chat with ChatGPT on VIBER. Let's get started. You can access ChatGPT on VIBER using two ways, using VIBER's built-in AI chatbot or by integrating the official ChatGPT bot. First, let's use VIBER's built-in AI chat. Navigate to the chat space. Over here, you're going to find this conversation with ChatGPT. Open that. Now go ahead and type your prompt into the text box and press send. You can use it to draft emails, plan travel itineraries, or get recipes. Within a moment, you're gonna get your results. So you can see that I have asked to plan itinerary for my Bali trip, and here's the full results. Next up, you can use the ChatGPT feature. For that, head back, open any of the conversation. Now type in @ChatGPT shortcut, allowing you to seamlessly call up on ChatGPT in any private or group chat. Then type in your query and send it. Within seconds, you're gonna get your results. So that's it. So this is how you can use chat with ChatGPT on VIBER like a pro. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.